your body move when you're riding on top, on top, on top, on top. Yeah. I like to watch your body move when you're riding on top, on top, on top, on top. Moving them hips, rock me ever so slowly, acting so cool and sexy. You know what I see. I like to watch your body move when you're riding on top, on top, on top, on top.
Look at it move like jelly, man. You know I gotta get a shot with the steady cam. You can have a brother coming out the pellet pants. If I gotta keep on looking at the way you belly dance. She got a cute portfolio, fast like a NASCAR, like she drove before. Because I can tell by the way she ride that stick that she ride that like a rodeo. Hey, on top while I'm holding them thighs, and you know I like looking at what I do see. I try to hit it for the bottom, but she told me to be real still, cause she wanna do me like a gangster when I touch her. Thought I was rough, but she was rougher. She cut me, I didn't cut her. We traded places like sure. Drop to the floor, then ease her. Come and rock my boat like a leader. If you can grind on me like Shakira, when you on top, then I just might see ya. He don't really know the way you can work. He said he'd hit it good when he was at you, but you be giving me the vision of a freak, so I gotta lay back. I wanna see what that do, cuz
I like to watch your body move